squeeze and turn. Squeeze. women 50 and beyond. As you can see, standing next to me is my dress form. And I want to say thank you to Connie. Thank you, thank you, thank you. This is a hug for me to you. Thank you, Connie. Thank you, Connie, for sending me this dress form and understanding what we go through when we trying to drape clothes on an old mannequin. I'm going to be honest. Let me show you what I was using. I was using her. I have two of her. Two. I had to make the boobs bigger. I used the tissue. I'm going to insert a video if I still have it. I inserted some cotton balls into it just for my boobs. But, mind you, I got a little good. She wasn't getting it. She's a size, I don't know, 2, 4, one of them 2s. But anyway, trying to drape clothes for me, wasn't getting it. On the sides, I put pads just to make sure, you know, the little flumpy, wasn't getting it. So let's put her over here. I still love my dress mannequins. Don't get me wrong, because I'm not going to really go back to a size 2. I don't like that size. It was difficult. Be careful what you wish for. That's all I'm saying. Be careful what you wish for. I am now a size, I don't even know anymore. My clothes is just everywhere. Well, whatever size it is, we're going to do measurements on her. And then we're going to do measurements on me, so we know how to dial her up or down. Well, you can't go any down, but we're going to dial her up to fit me. And then we're going to pad her, because Connie was showing me on her YouTube channel how to pad it. So you put her on a, put a cover over it. It's a temporary cover, because I will be using this as well for my clients, because they might be big or smaller or something. My issue is here right now, and she doesn't have a butt. I kind of have one, but we have to get her to fit me, because there are clothes that I want to make for me that I want to wear. They don't have them in the stores. The ones I want, they don't have them in the stores, so I'm battling. But anyway, now I see the issue I have, not the dress form. I have fingernails. They're mine. It's hard to cut down nails, and they're gonna keep growing. So once I get this dress form fitted to me, I will not change the dress form unless I lose the belly. Anyway, this here you have to squeeze and turn. Squeeze. Squeeze it. I'm going to have a hard time, but we're going to learn how to use this dress form to size, so you have to bear with me. I might do like speed it up on the thing just to dial it up and down, but we're going to do the measurements first. Okay.